Hello everyone, my name is Maltsev. I'm CEO at RigER, and today we will talk about digitalization of energy service operations management. We established our company 12 years ago in Canada, Calgary, Alberta, and the main idea was to digitalize the operations of oilfield rentals and service companies and fill the gap between CRM and ERP. Because this area right now, of those days, being occupied by Excel spreadsheet, whiteboards, and different paper tools, which unfortunately is still using right now in some organizations. So since that, we implemented our software different countries and continents, and still growing. We'd like to thank our trusted industry leaders and the companies with whom we're dealing right now, and definitely I would like to move forward. So if we talk about digitalization oilfield roadmap, we can identify several levels of the digitalization. So zero digital, and paper tickets and whiteboards, the simple software, basic desktop software. The level 2 is the cloud oilfield, software as a service, mobile oilfield when we have mobile applications, and level 4, the business intelligence, telemetry, smart devices, and business analytics. And level 5 is a top level, the digital enterprise, when we talking about Internet of Things, blockchain, smart contracts, digital twins, AI, etc. All those good technologies. And one of the problem with here that most of those technologies required lots of investment, and running for mid-size or small companies, it's become inaccessible. And our mission is bring those technologies to oilfield, democratize the digitalization. If we see those levels of the digitalization from level 0 to level 1, and take medium and large companies, we still see that 60-70% of them undigitalized. So they still at the level 2 or level 3. And believe me or not, lots of companies still use paper field tickets. We see ourselves as an extension of ERP, operational extension of ERP, which gives our clients an ability to track assets and field services, schedule and dispatching, run mobile field operations, track equipment rentals, time tracking, running and purchase orders, and quality management. There are lots of different applications, but we established six major pillars which we provide to our clients: so purchases, sales, field services, asset management, inventory, and finance. So from quote to cash, the approach giving an ability to track everything. And right now we have 23 different modules which give us an ability to configure and customize our solution for the client needs. The main approach is to go from and collect the data from the field, shop, or yard, move to the office, and then present at the C-suite level in the boardrooms, top management, owners, investors, to provide them this real-life picture. And our goal is to run data info from field to boardroom in 24 hours. So how it works? We use mobile applications to track operations in the field, in the shop, and yards. Then everything synchronized back to the cloud, and we use Microsoft Power BI to present the KPIs in the dashboards forms to the tablets or to the computers. So, couple cases. Number one, RigER increase efficiency. This is an example of one of our client located near Houston, and they before RigER they operate 5 different disconnected software solutions. After RigER implementations, they streamline the operations, increase the efficiency of the business, and most important, they start invoicing faster. So they just affect the bottom line, and they start receiving money faster. Another case is the maintenance optimization. One of our clients, they had 2,000 power generators, and the maintenance was a big issue. As soon as we build the individual maintenance calendars with utilization around 68-70%, it gives us 30% of savings, and then we implement telemetry and start getting hours, running hours, and this again optimize the maintenance cycles and gives another 10% savings. Third case, RigER support rapid growth. In this case, after implementing RigER, the company grows 5 times, but they still use the same resources, so they not hiring additional people. They continue running operations smoothly and faster. So, couple ideas about digital transformation. So first of all, technology is important, but the companies facing cultural and organizational barriers. So definitely to do the transformation, you require resources, processes, and management support. Second, not business for digitalization, but digitalization for business. So align business strategy with the business goals, understand current and future IT environment, and educate people. It's very, very important because the technology required more educated people to implement even mobile applications. Digital transformation is not a destination, but journey. Have a plan and join the journey. Thank you.